Hi student, how are you? Welcome to economic class. Today we'll discuss emergence of macroeconomics. So what was the emergence of macroeconomics? We'll discuss. The emergence of macroeconomics basically this was started in 1929. Uh, the famous thing is that there was the Great Depression of 1929 in USA. Okay, the Great Depression of 1929. Here the emergence of macroeconomy after emerged the British economist John Maynard Keynes, James Keynes, who published his celebrated book, The General Theory of okay, the General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money in the year of 1936. In the year of 1936, emerged after the British economist John Maynard Keynes published his celebrated book, The General Theory of Employment, Interest, and Money in 1936. The dominant thinking in economics before Keynes was that all the laborers who are ready to work will find unemployment and all the factories will be working at their full capacity. This school of thought is known as the classical tradition. Okay, this school of thought is known as the classical tradition. Classical tradition. This is classical tradition. However, the Great Depression of 1929, the Great Depression of 1929, this is the Great Depression of 1929, and the subsequent years show the output and employment levels in the countries of Europe and North America fall by the huge amount. Okay. Europe and North America fall by huge amount. It affected other countries of the world as well. Demand for goods in the market was very low. The demand for goods in the market was very low. Many factories were lying idle. Workers were thrown out of jobs. In USA, United States of America, from 1929 to 1933, okay, from 1929 to 33, in USA or United States of America, unemployment rate rose from 3% to 25%. Okay. Unemployment rate here, the unemployment rate, this increase, the unemployment rate rose from 3% to 25%. 3% to 25% it was increase in USA. Unemployment rate may be defined as the number of people who are not working and are looking for jobs divided by the total number of people who are working or looking for job. Over the same period, aggregate output in USA fell by about 33%. You just see. Over the same period, aggregate output in USA fell. The aggregate output USA fell 33%. The output aggregate output fell 33%. Okay. This event made economists think about the functioning of the economy in a new way. The fact that the economy may have long-lasting unemployment had to be theorized about and explained. Keynes' book was an attempt in this direction. Unlike this predecessor, his approach was to examine the working of the economy in its entirely and examine the interdependence of the different sector. Basically, the general theory of unemployment, interest and money,